In my opinion, I would say that people that were born with sensitive skin were born to be rich. So even if you're not rich but your skin is sensitive, that is a pointer to the fact that you are supposed to be rich. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dikan, aka Dikoko, aka Queen of DIYs, and that is because I also have DIY videos on this channel, so do well to check that out if that is your cup of tea. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. You're my OG. Internet hugs to every one of you. I really do appreciate when you tune into my videos, the likes, the comments, the subscription and everything. I really do appreciate every one of you guys. And welcome to another Skin Deep with Dikan video. And in this type of videos, we do product recommendations, we do product reviews, we give skincare advices, we share tips and tricks to just help you overall enjoy your skincare journey. And yeah, so in today's video, we are going to be discussing a topic that is long overdue on this channel, and that is the difference between sensitive and sensitized skin, and if your skin is actually sensitive or sensitized, and what you should do if your skin is being sensitized. And now this video is simply for everyone with skin, not just skincare formulators, not just beauty retailers. It's for everyone that is interested in beauty or everyone that has skin in the first place. So yeah, do not click out. There is valuable information for you on this video, so just give me a few minutes of your time and you will definitely not regret clicking on this video at all. And if anything, you're going to thank me later for this video. So now there's a lot of misconception with sensitive and sensitized skin in the beauty world, especially. You hear things like, oh my god, my skin is so sensitive, I can't use that, my skin is sensitive, my skin is this, my skin is so sensitive. Trust me, your skin might not be sensitive, your skin might just be sensitized. So we generally need to understand this topic of sensitive and sensitized skin for us to be able to combat better with our skin, especially when we are dealing with skin issues and all of that. Sorry about the lighting, the sun just went down just in case. So yeah, this type of video will help you decide and tailor your skincare regimen and the products that you get specifically for your skin, so that way you don't get to spend like a lot of money, like thousands of money on skincare products without actually getting your desired result. This video is going to be both a lifesaver and a pocket saver at the same time. Sensitive and sensitized skin. First of all, let's deal with the sensitive skin. Now, sensitive skin is not a skin condition. While most people always claim that their skin is sensitive, the difference between sensitive and sensitized skin is that sensitive skin is usually genetic. It's usually not something that you can easily fix. It's almost like the way you were born. It's not something that later happened to your skin. You hear people say my skin became sensitive or at this time, or my skin started getting sensitive and all of that, but no, that is not the case. What's happening there is that your skin is sensitized. If your skin was sensitive, then you were probably born with it. The difference between sensitive and sensitized skin is that one has to do with nature and one has to do with nurture. And now sensitive skin has to do with nature. This is about your skin, how you were born, your gene. This is like something that comes naturally to you. So the cause of sensitive skin is usually deeper than a moisturizer or a cream can fix. It goes skin deep. If you really have sensitive skin, then the root cause is genetics. In my opinion, I would say that people that were born with sensitive skin were born to be rich. So even if you're not rich but your skin is sensitive, that is a pointer to the fact that you are supposed to be rich. Why are you born with something so fragile if you're not supposed to have the funds to just fix it? I mean, that's just me being goofy. So for those of you with sensitive skin, your beautiful DNA has created you with this sort of proneness to skin irritation. So yeah, for sensitized skin, a lot of things can cause your skin to actually be sensitized. This could be like an overload of skincare products. It can also be an allergy to like certain ingredients in your beauty products. It could also be overuse of skincare products on your skin. So now let me explain the overload of skincare products part. If you're a beauty enthusiast, if you're someone that is generally interested in products, you follow a lot of beauty gurus, you are just generally interested in skincare things, beauty things, there is a possibility of you actually overloading these things on your skin, because today an influencer is talking about a certain product, you're buying it, another influencer is talking about another thing, you're buying it, and then you're using these products probably not really checking how you're supposed to use them, and sometimes things could be going well and at some point they just start going south. That is because your skin has now been overloaded with so much products. It could be acids, the retinoids, mandelic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, all of these beautiful things that we are currently talking about in the beauty community. All of those acids, all of those active ingredients. Now, this could be too much for your skin to deal with at a certain time. A very good example would be the Ordinary. Now, the Ordinary has a lot of beautiful products. They have lots of acids, they have lots of actives, they have lots of really potent formulas. And at some point, there was this rave about the Ordinary, and because of this rave, people were trying out products here and there, and in most cases there was like layering, and sometimes it could get to be layering different products, different actives. Now, a lot of people don't have the knowledge or don't have the know-how of how to deal with this sort of products, this sort of ingredients, so they just take these things and they put it on their skin. In the morning, you're probably using the glycolic acid toner, which is supposed to be used in the evening. You're using the niacinamide right after the glycolic toner. You're using the AHAs and BHAs, and then adding more glycolic toner to it after that. You're putting on the vitamin C serum on your skin with like the peptides and the retinoids and all of that without actually really studying how you should use these products on your skin. What do you think is going to happen to your skin? Your skin is going to get tired and your skin is going to react, and most likely in a way that you would not like, because now you're overloading all these things on your skin, and now your skin is confused. It doesn't really know what to do. Oh, am I exfoliating today? How many times am I actually exfoliating today? Or am I soaking in this one, or I'm throwing this one out? So your skin is just in a state of confusion, and what would then happen in that case is that your skin would react. And now you used to use all these things without having problems on your skin, but at some point you realize that you start breaking out. It seems like no product is working for you. It seems like you're becoming allergic to some of the ingredients or to some of the products. You notice that some products that you used to use that was working for you does not work anymore. What has now happened to your skin is that your skin has been really stripped of its protective barriers with using all of these products, and also if you're skin lightening, you're using all these lightening actives, you're using hydroquinone, you're using alpha arbutin, you're using kojic acid, you're using all of these things at once on your skin because you just really want to get your skin lightened up. And now what's going to happen is that your skin is just going to be confused. Like, it's not going to know what to do. It's not going to respond well, and at some point it will just stop responding to anything. So what you will now begin to experience is that it seems like nothing is really working on your skin, or anything just that touches your skin just makes your skin flare up, and before you know, you just don't, you're not just compatible with any of the products that you used to love. So yeah, that is when your skin has become sensitized, and sometimes instead of fixing this root issue, which could be that your skin barrier has been stripped, we now run from products to products trying to fix it, and now you're running from maybe a harsh product to another harsh product, not necessarily harsh, or you're running from an active to another active, or from one acid to another one, or you're hearing about this new product that is working for everybody and you're just jumping on it, you're jumping on the bandwagon and everything, and before you know it, your skin just keeps reacting. So every time you buy a new product, it seems like the new product is not working for you, whereas your skin has just been compromised. I mean, like, it really doesn't know what to do at certain points. So at this point, what you need to do is to slow down with your skincare regimen. You need to go back to the drawing board, and you actually need to check what is the problem. If you're probably using too much exfoliators like the chemical peels or the chemical exfoliants, you need to actually chill. If you're using a lot of it, like AHA, BHA, or you are actively using different chemical peels at a point, you might need to size down to one chemical peel. Or if there's like a chemical peel in your toner and in your cleanser and in your cream and in your that and in your that, you might need to reduce that to just one or two products that actually contain chemical exfoliants. And also with acids, if you're using alpha arbutin and you're using niacinamide, which is a good combo by the way, or you're using kojic acid, I don't know, like all of these things, you might just need to cut it down to like 1 or 2 that actually work for your skin. And now what you would do is to go back to those products that actually used to work for you. Chances are that almost all your products are working for you, but your skin has been sensitized, your skin has been compromised, so now it seems like nothing is working, but things are actually working on your skin. So what you can do is that you can actually size down on this thing. Try not to strip your skin too much of its protective barrier. Overwashing your face especially could be an issue, or not cleansing properly as well can also be an issue, or especially when you wear makeup. Now makeup doesn't make you break out according to the popular myth, but leaving your makeup on your face for too long, like hours and hours, and then not cleaning your makeup properly before bed can actually cause your skin to get sensitized as well. There's a lot of reasons why our skin can actually get sensitized. One of the main causes of sensitized skin is overstripping your skin, and that would have to do with washing, too much exfoliation, and all of that. What you can do is like size down on a lot of things, cut out a lot of things. For example, if you're using like a face wash with like an active face wash, like a clarifying face wash in the night, something that has like salicylic acid and all of that, and you are in this state where your skin is being sensitized, you might want to use like a more mild version of a cleanser in the morning period or in the morning time. So now if you're using your mild cleanser in the morning, you can use like your salicylic acid cleanser in the evening. If you're using your skin moisturizer during the day, you can now use your actives at night, and you can size down your actives as well. If your skin lightening, which has gotten your skin to be very photosensitive to the sun and other things, you might want to use your moisturizing lotions during the day and probably stick to your lightening lotions at night. So this is how you sort of take steps to help your skin regenerate and repair itself. Our skin actually has the capability of repairing itself if we do not mess with it too much. So what you want to do is to help your skin be more mild, be more gentle with your skin, especially when you have found yourself in this dilemma that your skin is now sensitized and almost every product is not working for you anymore. And now when your skin is sensitized and you're trying to work your way around that situation, what you want to do is go back to the drawing board. What skin type do you have? Actually use products that are tailored to your skin type. For example, if you have dry skin, you really want to stick to things that actually moisturize your skin. If you also have combination to oily skin, you still want to use things that actually moisturize your skin, things that actually repair your skin barrier without stripping your skin barrier. So yeah, those are the simple, easy steps that you can start taking towards your skin. And speaking of the Ordinary product line, I'm currently using some of their products. I'm going to be posting a video soon reviewing those products, and I'm also going to be talking about the best time for you to apply those products on your skin. And speaking of lightening products as well, if your skin lightening, I have some videos on this channel on how to better your skin lightening experience on this channel, so definitely check that out. There are some useful information. I have a video on how you can use your regular moisturizer or lotions and face cream to lighten your skin, and in that video I think we used the Nivea Q10, so definitely check that out. There are definitely healthier ways that you can do things, and that is what I am here for. I'm here to put you through on how to better your skincare regimen and all of that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, definitely make sure that you're subscribed. Click on the notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post a video. Thumbs up this video, drop a comment down below. If you do have any questions or anything you would like to share with us, definitely drop a comment down below. I like to read your comments. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I do post some skincare content as well on my Instagram, or if you just want to check me out every other time, I have my Instagram page, so you can definitely follow me on Instagram, and you can always message me there if you have questions or anything. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that at this point you understand the difference between sensitive and sensitized skin, and you're able to actually decide if your skin is actually sensitive or sensitized. And I hope that this video was useful to you in one way or the other. And yeah, we are done with this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. And as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect, luscious, clear and glowy skin. Mwah.